Hi Riya,
Hi, ma'am.
how are you?
I'm doing good. How are you?
I'm good, Riya. Okay, so this is Aruna from Quality Department, Riya. I just want to take a feedback interview from your side. So before starting that, first of all, congratulations for your placements.
Thank you.
Yeah, can you introduce about yourself, Riya, your earlier studies, hometown, and presently what you're doing?
Okay, so my name is Riya Joshi. I've completed my BE Civil from Mumbai University, and I've joined this CMTI on June. And on completion of my second month of course, I've got this job that I was aspiring. And thank you for this opportunity and the good learning that I've got from CMTI. I've joined for the CACM course, which really helped me with the industrial learning and to connect with the industrial experience actually. And it was a great journey with CMTI Institute.
Okay, okay. So how did you get to know about CMTI?
Okay, so I was searching for this civil engineering, civil management course. So from Google, I got to know about CMTI, and with all the great reviews and all, I was convinced that I should join this institute.
Okay, fine. So what and all you learned in this 2 months of courses? So what was the new thing you learned
Okay,
here?
so the basic and the most important concepts in civil engineering like BBS, Cutlass, quantity surveying, methodology, sequence, reading of drawings, and basically every basic things that we need in industrial work, we have learned here.
Okay, fine. So how was your trainers and all, Riya? So how was your trainers?
Trainers were great, especially Natarajan sir and Yash sir. Like they were great, and their sessions were very knowledgeable, and it was very simple to understand.
Okay, fine. So how was Ashok sir career guidance and interview guidance, Riya? Can you tell me about that?
Ashok sir is like the most ambitious person, like more encouraging. With every problem that we have, if we go up to Ashok sir, he has a proper solution, proper guideline to help us with the career.
Okay, fine. So what about CMTI app and all? How did that useful? Like how was that useful to you?
CMTI app has like well managed courses. So if we miss out with anything, we can go up to the CMTI app and understand the sessions and the concepts very easily.
Okay, fine. So, how was staffs of CMTI? So, let it be Shweta ma'am or Deepa ma'am. How was their coordination throughout the process? Can you tell me about that?
Every staffs were very helpful and like throughout the course they were very helpful and very supportive.
Okay, okay, Riya. So, then I hope you're happy with your placements.
Yeah.
Okay, fine. So, coming to your confidence level before joining CMTI and after joining CMTI, any changes in that?
Obviously like if we gain more knowledge our confidence increases. So after joining this course, I could like say my knowledge on this field has increased. So that will increase the confidence. Yeah, like
Oh,
before and after confidence of mine has increased. Yes.
yeah, it's a very good point. And finally, Ria, what do you want to say to your friends and juniors?
So like I have gained knowledge, confidence, and a job, of course. After the CACM course from CMTI, I would say to my friends and the viewers here, like if you want to gain this industrial knowledge and confidence, you could surely join this course from CMTI.
Thank you, Ria. Thank you so much for your feedback. I hope all the best for your future. And once again,
Thank
congratulations
you,
for your
ma'am.
placements. Thank you, Ria. Thank you so much.